Today, I'm going to teach you how to stretch your quads. Not that, these. Tight quads might be wrecking your posture and even your workouts. This stretch boosts mobility, helps your posture, and protects your knees, especially if you're active or sitting all day. Let me show you this stretch in under 30 seconds.
Step 1.
Bring your foot up to your glute.
Step 2.
Grab your ankle with the same hand. Step 3. Connect your thighs and push your knee back. You should feel a pull in through your thigh and into your hip flexor. And that's your quad. Do it regularly and you'll 1. Move better, 2. Reduce injury risk, and 3. Ease knee pain. Now that you've stretched your quad, save this video if it helped, and send this to someone who could use the reminder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Oh yeah.